Data from the Ministry of Education indicates that a girl that is absent from school for 4 days a month loses 13 learning days, equivalent to 2 weeks of learning in every school term, translating to 39 learning days or 6 weeks of learning time in a term, and up to 18 of 108 weeks in primary and 24 weeks of 144 weeks in learning in secondary school. Noting that while the government, through the State Department for Gender Affairs, was charged with the responsibility of procuring and distributing sanitary towels for 3.7 million girls in public primary schools, special primary and secondary schools at a cost of 470 million during the 2017-2018 financial year, which amount needs to be increased in order to fully address and mitigate the problem. Now, therefore, the Senate resolves that the Ministry of Public Service, Gender and Affirmative Action, in partnership with the Ministry of Education and the Council of Governors, to 1. Facilitate provision of feminine hygiene products in all public schools. 2. Ensure that all schools that don't have bathrooms that facilitate privacy, cleanliness, or proper disposal of hygiene products properly equipped. 3. Create awareness and take advocacy measures on reproductive health issues related to period poverty. 4. Include in the curriculum a dedicated lesson per week to teach girls on menstrual hygiene. And 5. Ensure that sanitary products will be obtainable, timely, consistently, and in a way that respects the dignity of the concerned persons.
Senator Gloria, what is a point of order?
Mr. Speaker, I think I have I'm dressed as per the standing orders. I'm covered, I have a suit, I have collars. I'm just short of a tie. I'm very disappointed. I'm actually more disappointed because the point of order that is being raised to try and attack an accident that is natural.